Some recent utterances by Reggae Boyz coach Heimir Halgrimson addressing the lack of confidentiality in the Jamaican dressing room, specifically about team selection and also information re the suspension of star player Leon Bailey, suggesting he wanted to keep the details of the suspension private. What nonsense! Leon Bailey coach Halgrimson is Jamaica's highest profile player in Jamaica's highest profile sport. He happens to be on top of his game in the biggest and most popular league in the world. How you expect to suspend Leon Bailey from a Jamaican team at this moment and keep it private? I want to tell you, coach, that breaking curfew issue Bailey was suspended for was no secret in certain circles in Jamaica. Apparently, you, coach, was the only one who never knew. So it remains befuddling to me that in a dressing room of football stars, one of the biggest stars among those stars could be suspended. And it keep a secret. Shh. A secret. Shh.